Layton really likes Faith. She went in to give him a kiss earlier and he grabbed her ear and held on.
Be careful. Felicity, why don't you... Thank you. Faith is just doing that to hold on because she can't stand by herself. Okay. Oh, no, that's not nice. No, I can't do that. Felicity.
I think he likes your daughters, Amber.
I know.